this video, I want to take you through the maintenance needed for your Kind Water E-2000 whole house salt-free softener. To accomplish this, we'll need a new cartridge, model E-100R. Step 1 is to shut off the main water supply to your system and open the nearest faucet to relieve the pressure. With the pressure relieved, we can grab the wrench and remove the inlet side housing. Make sure to support the housing from the bottom, as it will be full of water and weigh about 15 pounds. On an E-2000 salt-free softener, the outlet side cartridge, which is your E-soft cartridge, does not need to be replaced. With the water removed from the housing, we're ready to remove the old sediment filter as well as the old O-ring. Now we can prep the included O-ring with the food grade silicone grease. Now don't worry about getting this on your fingers, it is a food grade product and cleans up with regular dish soap. Now we can install the new O-ring and the new cartridge. When installing the new cartridge, make sure that it fully seats on that lower standpipe. Next, we'll reinstall the housing to the manifold. I'll do it hand tight at first and then snug it up with the wrench. Now we're ready to slowly turn the main water supply back onto the system. Make sure that a faucet is open to relieve the trapped air in the plumbing system. Once the water runs smoothly, allow the system to flush for 10 minutes. Your system is now ready for use. If you have questions on maintaining your Kind water system, please give us a call at 888-614-5559.